In today's video, we are going to be transforming my Civic Type R's fender vents from boring stock plastic vents to amazing aggressive carbon fiber vents. So stay tuned to find out how. What's up and welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys for watching, and today we are going to be installing a small mod on my Civic Type R. This is my FK8 2021 Type R, and we have a small mod that I will be installing today. As you guys can see, this is the Type R stock fender vent. These fenders are functional. They do pull heat from the engine compartment, and they also do create some downforce because this hood scoop does bring air in, push it to the sides of the fenders, and pull it through the vents. On a regular Civic, these fenders are actually pulled in a little bit more, and if you pop the hood, you can actually see a space right here where the air does go through these vents. And we're going to be changing the look of these fenders today, guys. As you can see, they do look somewhat cheap. I do like the look of them, but they do look like cheap plastic. And I do think these fenders can just look a little bit better with some carbon on them. So I'm going to show you guys what I just purchased. And what's really cool is that the mod that I just purchased can be removed, or I can just remove this whole fender vent and buy a different set. So I'm going to show you guys what I just purchased for these vents right now. So I'm sure you already saw the thumbnail, that's why you're watching this video, but I did purchase some carbon fiber overlays for my vents. I did buy these from eBay for just about $200, so let's check them out. All right, so this is the test fit. Obviously, I can't press it down and hold the light at the same time, but I think it looks great, guys. That is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to clean the plastic up with some alcohol, take off the tape on the backs, and yeah, I'm going to install these. They look really good. They actually fit really well. When it is actually pressed down against the plastic, it looks really good. So yeah, going to clean it up really quick, guys, and we'll start installing. Okay, so it is done, and I have to say it looks great, guys. So you can barely tell that it is an overlay. Like, you really have to stare to even be able to tell that it's an overlay, and it looks way better than it did before, guys. Check that out. Even down to the details, it looks really good. It definitely looks stock. If you were looking at the side of the car, you would notice the vents first, and then the rims, and then the splitters. But yeah, guys, it looks great. I love how it looks. It looks really good. It does fit very well for a overlay. Yeah, it fits really good. And even if you look really close up, you can barely even tell. It looks really good. It does fit well, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Obviously, no one's gonna be staring super close up, so this is what they're gonna see anyways. It looks really clean, guys. So I will link this product in the description below, guys, if you guys want to check these out or purchase them. This is how these should have came from the factory. They just look so good. It looks kind of supercar-like. Looks awesome. All right, guys, going to do the other side, and then I'll return. All right, guys, the passenger side is done, and it looks perfect as well. At first, it was a little bit off. It was actually looking like a little spaced out with these little pillars in here, and I did end up lifting this side up. It was really hard. I think it looks amazing. I think these are a really good deal. They were $200. That's actually a bit expensive, but I think this is a good deal considering the actual carbon fiber vents you can buy are like $400, $380, $390. This is basically half the price, and I think they look great. I am super happy about this mod, guys. They actually came out better than I thought, because the first time I test fitted them, these little fittings right here did not fit very well. I had to press it all the way back to the back there. You have to get these overlays to go all the way back there, or they will not fit right on these little pillars. So if you guys are doing this on your car, you have to make sure that this carbon fiber overlay actually goes all the way to the back vent back there, so it will fit perfect on these pillars. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for making it this far, guys. Let me know what you guys think about these overlays. I think they look awesome. I mean, I almost can't tell a difference other than on the Sabon ones. I think that part is carbon fiber as well. These little pillars are carbon fiber, and the vents are actually metal. Other than that, guys, I really can't tell a difference. Like, I would not know if I just pulled up at a light next to this car. Looks so good. I love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.